Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's compute the antiderivative of this given exponential function using the chain rule. Now this is a second example with the use of chain rule for exponential functions where our base is the Euler's number. And this time, our exponent is 6x minus 2, unlike the previous one. You have the integral of e to the power of 6x minus 2 dx. As mentioned previously, we are of course going to use the rule for differentiating, anti-differentiating rather, exponential function with e as our base, which would give us itself plus c. But that would be later once we have verified the appropriate and necessary conditions for the chain rule. This is of course a composite function. You have e to the power of 6x minus 2. Our f of x is e to the power of x, and our g of x is the binomial expression 6x minus 2. So this being the exponent is equal to that, and of course again this fits the criteria for composite function. Hence, chain rule. The chain rule would require us to introduce a certain constant on this form, g prime of x dx. We need this first. This is multiplication before we can give the antiderivative of the outer function plus c, which would use this form here. Okay, so what is our g prime of x in this manner? Previously we only have 1. This time it's different because your g prime of x is 6, because the derivative of 6x minus 2 is 6. That's the item here, and the same item we need to introduce in this given. E to the power of 6x minus 2, introducing 6 before your dx. Now this looks like the appropriate chain rule when this is already included. Hence, let's proceed to this form using this rule. However, we have missed one important thing here. Once you multiply the inner forms by 6, we have changed the given from the original form. We need to neutralize that with 1/6 so that is actually equal to 1, returning to the given, but we will not be canceling that because again, this fits the chain rule now. So 1/6 would be left as it is, and then we are going to integrate now the given function using this rule, which would just copy e to the power of 6x minus 2 plus c. As simple as that. Hence, our final answer is 1/6 e to the power of 6x minus 2 plus 1/6 c, or just simply c to stand all arbitrary constant. This is the answer to the given item. We will have a different method as well to verify this answer, and please wait for the next video for that. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now!